Yes, welcome to Jyoti Academy. Today I am going to teach you a story of Louis Pasteur, a little boy in France. He became a renowned scientist later on. The story, he was the inhabitant of first read the brief story. He lived in a small town, Arbois, in France. One day, he saw the people coming, was fearful. They were suddenly came, sound of running feet and voices of people shouting. Louis asked one, what happened? People replied, someone has been bitten. Later on, it was discovered that a wolf coming from mountain down bitten one. And the bitten people were generally not been cured. Now Louis thought over this fact and he decided himself to take a medicine so that people should not die with the terrible disease. Louis did not forget that day, though he did not know how that later in his life he discovered a way of preventing the disease. Louis left school. He trained himself as a scientist. At first he worked at problem in chemistry and got name and fame. Later on, he discovered that why milk, wine, beer become sour. The main reason was fermentation. He found that heating the milk, wine and beer at certain temperature, a small bacteria which causes the fermentation can die. And thus he gave a new way to save the milk from bacteria. Later on, his invention going on and taking the bacteria from diseased body of animal, he injected such animals which are terribly suffering from disease, and he saw that they became cured. In the last one day, a terrible patient came to him. It was day of 16th of July, 1885, a very memorable day for pastors. A woman came to him in great distress. He asked him to save a child. Pasteur did not venture, but he decided to take the same process as he cured the animals. And he gave a small power bacteria, injected him, and later on he saw the consequences. The child became cured. Now his name and fame throughout the world came in the light. German government founded a Pasteur Institute in Paris. In also India, there is Pasteur Institute which prepares vaccine and another thing. Now, this is in brief story of Louis Pasteur. He became the renowned scientist of the world. He gave the way to save the life. In the next class, I will do the exercise of the lesson.